my friends, my name is Miss Caitlin and I am a teacher at the Greater Valley YMCA, and here is your weekly bird update. Me and my stepdaughters have been checking on the birds every day, seeing how they're doing, and we just got some videos of them and they are now a lot bigger than they were. They have fuzz on them, fuzz and like different feathers, so I will connect the videos that I got to this so you can see. All right guys, see you later, bye. Tilted. I think I got him. I can't keep them, they're wild animals. Babies!
Oh yeah, I see them. There's definitely less than there was.
I thought there was more too. Babies!